Hello children, in this video we are going to study about the thyroid gland. Okay, so thyroid gland is known as the largest gland of the endocrine system. Okay, of the endocrine system. Okay, first we'll start with the location where it is present. It is present in the neck region. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the neck region, and it is having the two lobed structure, right lobe and the left lobe, and exactly it is having the shape of near about H shaped. Okay, this is the H shaped in which two lobes are there, right lobe and the left lobe, and this is present in the neck region. Okay, so here you can see basically it is present in the at the base of the larynx. Okay, and it is connected with this isthmus. The two lobes are connected with the isthmus. Okay, now what is the function of this gland? Basically they will secrete the hormone called the thyroxine hormone. Okay, this is the thyroxine hormone which is secreted from the thyroid gland. Now what is the function of the thyroxine hormone, or what it contains? Basically it contains iodine. Okay, so this thyroxine hormone contains iodine, and that's why they are having two kinds of thyroxine hormone, that is the T3 and T4. So T3 is having 3 molecules of iodine, and T4 is having 4 molecules of iodine. Okay, so this thyroxine hormone is responsible for the metabolism, general metabolism. Okay, that is the, you can say, the metabolism, exactly the energy release from the this one mitochondria and all. Okay, so and also with the help it helps in the growth and development of the body. Okay, growth and development of the body, this thyroxine hormone is responsible. So children, all the chemical activities are controlled by this thyroxine hormone. Okay, after the birth, after the child's birth, this should be present properly in proper amount. The secretion should be in proper amount. Now when we will move towards the two conditions, that is the less secretion and more secretion, that is called the hyposecretion. That means the secretion less than the required one, and another is the hypersecretion. Now there are two conditions in hyposecretion. One is, that is the during the growing years, and another is the after the growing years, that means during the adulthood. Okay, so it is what during the growing years, if someone is having the problem of thyroid or the thyroxine hormone, then there will be, the condition is known as the cretinism. What does it mean? What does this cretinism means? It means that the retarded mental and physical development. Okay, retarded mental and physical development. Okay, apart from that, during the adulthood, now this happens during the childhood stage. Okay, but after the growing years, that means during the adulthood, if this problem is there, this is known as myxodyma. Okay, myxedema. Okay, that is the myxedema. So this myxedema leads to the swelling on the face and hands, sluggishness, thick skin or coarse hair in the adults. Okay, so that is the myxedema is there. Myxedema means that is the sluggish metabolism, means the metabolism will slow down. Okay, and there will be swelling in the face and the hand, and also there will be the goiter, problem of goiter. Okay, you might have noticed that some people are having the neck, the swollen neck. Okay, this portion become swollen. Okay, neck region where the thyroid gland is present, that will get swollen. Why? Because of the less secretion of the thyroxine hormone. Because you see, this thyroxine hormone require iodine, and if people will not take iodine in their diet regularly, so what will happen? The problem of goiter will arise. Why? Because the thyroid gland will start getting swelled. Okay, it has to do lots of work for the secretion of the thyroxine hormone, and since iodine is less in there, then it will start getting swelled. So this is the problem. Then this goiter problem again we will discuss in this in the end of the video. Okay. Now children, next condition is hypersecretion. So what is hypersecretion? When the amount of secretion or the hormone is more than the required one. Okay, so this is called the hypersecretion. So in this case, what happens? As you know, when the more secretion will be there, so metabolism will affect. So the rate of metabolism or rate of chemical reaction in the body, that will increase too much. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? The person will have the faster heartbeat. Okay, so first thing, metabolism will increase, then heartbeat will also increase. The person will feel restless. Okay, and also nervousness, then bulging eyes will be there. Okay, bulging eyes. Okay, so these are the symptoms of hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone, and this is that when the thyroid gland, the thyroid problem is there with the people. Okay, you might have heard many times, many people are suffering from the thyroid problem because of the thyroid gland is not working properly to produce the thyroxine hormone. Okay, so that's why you see the people become very much fat. It seems like fat, but exactly they are having the swelling on their body. Now, when we talk about the goiter, as I have told you, I will discuss more about the goiter problem. That is the goiter problem. Basically, it is because of the iodine. Okay, deficiency of iodine in your diet. Okay, so basically it is what? Deficiency of iodine in diet. Okay, see, iodine is required in our body to produce the thyroxine hormone, and thyroxine hormone is responsible for the metabolism, growth and the development. So here what happens, if we are not taking iodine in proper amount in our diet, then it will lead to the deficiency disease called the goiter. Okay, so there is the requirement of taking the iodized salt. Okay, because you see, it is we needed iodine in very less amount, but regular intake is required. Okay, so that is sufficient. When you are mixing it with the salt, already you are getting the iodized salt. Okay, why it is called iodized? Because iodine is already mixed into it. So it is not like that one spoonful of iodine you will start taking for 1 month and it is enough. No, you need to take the regular intake but very small amount. Okay, now the people who are living near the coastal areas, okay, they don't have this goiter problem. Okay, they will not suffer from this goiter problem. Why is it so? Because the iodine, what is required for their body, they are already taking from the seafood. Okay, seafood or the seaweeds are there. Okay, sea fish are there. Okay, so they all contain lots of mineral in their body, including the iodine. So the fulfillment of iodine is done by the seafood itself. Okay, so the people who are living near the coastal areas, they will never ever suffer from the goiter problem. So this was all about the thyroid gland. Again, I want to summarize it. What it is, the location is the neck region. Okay, and what is the function? They secrete the thyroxine hormone. This thyroxine hormone is responsible for metabolism, growth and development of the child. What is that? Hyposecretion, that means the less secretion. Two stages are there during the childhood. If the secretion is less, then the problem of cretinism will be there. That means retarded mental and physical development. That means the child will not develop properly. They will have the mental problem, or the physical development will be stunted or retarded. Then if during the adulthood it happens, then it is called the myxedema. Okay, exactly, it is myxedema. Okay, DE, myxedema. And the goiter will be there. Okay, the hyposecretion, in that case what happens, metabolism will increase, heartbeat will increase, restless, and the bulging eyes, and the body will also get swelled. Okay, so this is all about. And then one more thing was there, the deficiency disease caused by the deficiency of iodine, that is called the goiter. Goiter is require the iodine. Okay, because of the swelling in the thyroid gland, that will cause the goiter, and it happens because of the deficiency of iodine. As you know that iodine is required for the thyroxine hormone, so if there will be less secretion, then the goiter will be arising in the body.